Oh man, what's that all about?
I broke my car, Blake.
Again, Jeremy?
Well, it's the first for the motor, so
That's
I broke it. That's not out yet, is it? Valve spring video.
No.
Okay.
Or the cartridge.
Anyways, I had really bad valve float at 4,500. Got some double springs at Indy. Go back, watch that one. Put the springs in. Now it could rev further. But the problem is, it wouldn't stop revving if I didn't stop it. So, on a joyous burst of acceleration, it didn't make a noise, but when I got home, it was making a noise. So I got the training motor out. We're gonna roll it over, pull the pan, and see what's happening.
Yep. Damn it.
This is gonna be a mess right now, I bet. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy, bro.
Should be again.
Need a pipe.
Yep. Jeremy's internal rev limiter didn't quite go off. But you had a lot of fun.
Yeah, I did. This is way easier than a big block Ford. What's that? That's gas. Okay. Oh. Oh. All right. Some tools.
And they're all out, right, Tyler?
Right.
I remember when Tyler took them all out before.
Oh yeah, I took him off because he didn't. Sorry, I haven't been drinking.
Let's see how your windage tray looks too. You made. That is a pretty sweet oil.
Fuck, I got a screaming deal on it too. With a very good friend of mine. We don't talk about that or what?
Not anymore.
Because you got the fucking crusty one.
Yeah. His.
Ooh, I see metal. I see lots of metal. Through the pickup. Oh no. Okay, so I think
I already see in there. Do you see?
Yeah.
I see? Which one did you point at and say you thought the money shot was coming out of?
Driver's side third, which is not it. Why is there so much oil in the?
Why is there so much oil in what?
Wow, I know.
On it?
Yeah. Man. Well, that's right there. Just take it off.
Yeah.
Or we'll give it
A gander.
we'll give it a spin so it's more up and downsy. Right there.
Yeah, it's funny looking at it. When the crank's moving and every other piston's moving and that one's like, wait for me, guys.
Yeah. All right. Damn it. Jim.
Oh.
Yeah, that wiggles.
And a lot too.
More than it should. I'm sure it's fine.
It could be.
Except for the fucking metal everywhere.
Optimistic. I shall be. Haven't seen the guys yet today. Hey, how's it going?
Fucking Tyler. Battery's gonna die.
Tyler.
Alright, here we go. The big reveal.
Oh.
So, oh, I pushed the bolts out. That can't be good either. Those just come out. Oh shit.
Split bearing.
Oh. Well, I think that's
So the bearing sacrificed itself before it got to the crank, maybe, or what?
Ouch. No, it's spun. There's two halves. This is the. Oh no. Yeah,
So it went underneath of itself.
It went roundy round because there's no. The bearing's not in the rod end. Let's see if I can get this out of here without cutting the shit out of my fingers. It's like part of the. Where's that?
Crazy.
Wow. It spun and spun some more. That's fucking garbage. Ah!
Yeah.
These are supposed to be lots thicker. I bet the rest of them aren't any much better.
Yeah.
We don't have any bearings to show anybody. Maybe I'll take another one off. They're supposed to be way thicker. And they actually got little tangs on them to hold them.
Yeah.
Right here. So there's that much more material that kind of hangs on there, one on each side. And that son of a bitch was at least there.
Damn it, Jim.
Okay.
This is where we are now. This is our life, Jeremy.
It's my life.
It's now or never.
I can't push any harder.
So if you notice, we kind of skipped a lot of the things that were on the motor stop. Because y'all seen that before.
Oh, we. Bearings look, I mean, well, this is the only one I've done, so I guess it looks
Well,
fine.
the bearing, this one.
Well, yeah, that's the crappy one.
Oh.
So it goes like that.
Are you gonna flip these pistons back to how they were?
I'm not, hopefully I don't have to use these. Hopefully someone, this way, someone somewhere will get a rotating assembly. I don't know. It's not getting any better, not tearing it apart, right?
Right.
So
Fukas.
No, that's not good.
It feels like a memory board.
Yeah.
Like
that one's not.
that. No.
That's nice.
I'm catching a fingernail.
Well,
Hear that?
yeah. Could have been too the sweet.
The rubber band shoestring boogie, or whatever the hell it was. The belt. And,
That was the final stage. Was the belt? 'Cause
Yeah.
it was soft, grit. What? Fuck, I don't know. Oh, I'm losing everything now. Oh, there it is. Hey, look! I had a little weep right there too. Just a tiny one started. Ouch.
Damn it, Ty. Ball.
I like repeatedly
Hammered that knuckle.
just capped.
right.
And
So
we're
here's
back.
where we're at. It just blows down apart this quick here
Yeah.
at PTP HQ.
We got a lot of Zeus fasteners and wing nuts.
You about.
Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna pull this out without beating the holy crap out of it.
Everybody's sticking.
You can kinda. That's normal.
You're good. Just yank it out really fast like a band-aid.
It's like a band-aid. No, it's not. Okay, you can stop and rest on each bearing journal if you'd like. Have you seen some of them old like Power Nation Power Block videos?
No.
And they're putting a cam and it's like clank, 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 clank. Yeah.
Well, they were always building Chevys in the 90s.
Right. It ain't no thing but a chicken wing.
Together.
Okay.
Or in the old comp box.
What is it? It's a number of sorts of cams. Yeah, it's. I looked and looked.
Yeah, there ain't nothing wrong with that.
Oh, and the bearing. And now that I see these out, that looks great too.
Right.
Oh, now my hands are too. Oh, there we go.
It almost feels like there's some assembly lube still in there. Like that really sticky.
Sticky icky wicky.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
To the bare block. The only thing it's got in it is frost plugs, cam bearings, little copper doo-woppy for the oil pump, rod shaft, timing gear pump,
Yeah.
and some ghost marks from your head gaskets.
Mm-hmm.
So how many miles were on this before it spun?
I don't know. I can't remember. Under 2,000, over 1,000, 15 to 1,800. Not a lot for what happened, but it was a moonshot burnout non-rev limiting revving big-footed. I don't know. That's my fault.
Journey 13 to.
Yeah. I put the 13s to the.
Well, if you had the old valve springs in it, it probably never would have happened.
No,
right?
well, I probably would have clashed a valve with the piston then.
Yeah, well, yeah, that could have
I
happened.
would have overran the. Well, I don't know. How does that valve float work? Yeah, valve float's not good either.
Right.
But I would have let off because it would have been valve floating. Okay.
Alright.
It's getting late.
Jeremy's got them. Oh wait, here. Somebody grabbed this from me.
I was already in the fridge.
This is my new job now.
Oh yeah. You gonna do anything today?
I'm doing it.
Oh.
I'm here for moral support.
Well, support this motor and give me some parts.
Anyway, this is just kind of a short video to show that shit happens right as soon as you hit the fastest number you ever hit. at the drag strip, and you're ready to go back this weekend.
And your tires show up.
Yeah, and your Hoosiers show up brand new, never been spun once at the track. Oh. So at Bad Tree Productions, we like to, yeah.
You know what those Hoosiers got? I could. It'd be more impressive if I told you how many inches they had on versus feet, because I put them on in the garage and the car's been out, back, and out and back.
Yeah,
They've got, like-
these tires only have 24 feet on them.
These tires have 2 car legs on them. Sucks.
I like the new signboard that we got.
I do too. And it should be a dial-in sign for somebody.
Yeah, there's a bunch more of them. They were only like $15. It's battery operated, so you can put your dial ET in there. Jeremy was thinking, with like a message below it saying "See ya, sucker."
Yeah.
Quit sandbagging.
Yeah, quit sandbagging.
Right, left.
Damn it, Ty. Got a little camera there, and it's dead.
Cam bearings look really good.
Oh, what about deer head?
Oh yeah.
Oh no, let's not.
Watch out for him.
Oh.
He's pretty creepy. I don't know. I don't like that.
Master Poe deer.
Master Poe.
I thought his name was Red.
If you can snatch the corn from my cloven hooves.
Remember Master Poe from Kung Fu? The legend continues.
Oh.
If you snatch the pebble from my hand.
Then you
So
will be ready.
his name is Dearman.
Ron Dearman.
Ron Dearman.
Rod Dearman.
Rod Dearman the third.
Fucking dick.
Rod Dearman Jones.
So I don't know. You go back to the archives. We were
Just here.
at this point about a year ago. When did we do the cam shop? Oh.
Better than that. It was pre-COVID, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, it
Yeah,
was. Fuck, how long have we doing this?
We've only been doing YouTube since October of 2019. So
Yeah, we have all 2020 behind us. So yeah, okay.
all right. Well,
And then you do this for
the machine guy.
protect the bearings.
It's a clean block.
I mean, it is. It
Right.
looks nice.
The cross hatching's still there. It's like you only got very little mileage on
I
it.
do have very little miles on it. Geez, were the pistons hard to push back out.
Yeah, they were.
They were.
Rings were doing their job.
Right.
I mean, it was like.
So here, Jay, I can't be doing this shit. I gotta be over here drinking in the corner.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
I'm done.
Get making a video. Wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
Something. Oh, geez, that was done already.
They needed dented. Not on the bottom where I hit the rock, but they needed dented.
Right.
That's all you're gonna do. Till I'm done. I deserve it. I'm not saying I don't.
How'd you do this? Tastes really good.
It was a fuzzy last couple months.
You remember that? Jeremy's like,
Watching you guys work on the CUDA. Oh, I did drink a lot of beer.
You can do it.
Oh shit! All right,
All right, next time.
go machine. Oh, I need a dipstick.
Oh, you do?
Fucking, I'm like, go like this,
Snap.
tink,
Great.
and I'm like, oh, it popped out, but just from here up popped out.
Really?
Nah, it's still right there.
There's still some in there?
A little bit.
Oh, wow.
Whatever. I'm over it. I need more than a dipstick, but. What are these?
Little plugs, right?
Oil galley. That one's loose, brother.
Oh, here comes UT.
Hey, wait.
UTB.
Uncle Ty.
Uncle Ty B.
Yeah,
UTB. Oh, you got 2 in your hand now? What? Are you serious?
that's enough.
Hey, guys.
You fucker.
You're thinking the Jeremy.
Wait a second. What?
Then he sticks one on his foot and does that too, monkey style.
Holds it with my prehensile tail. I looked that word up this morning.
All right.
Okay, bye. See ya.
Buy
Right.
stuff from places
Bitch Florida,
America.
America.
Stop it, Natalie.
Send me some parts.
Yeah, who's got a 408 stroker kit for this thing for Jeremy? That'd be a hell of a donation.
Oh my God, look at this.
I need another beer.
I
got
got
cash,
some
too.
stuff coming in. No. Hey, what the hell's that? Up there.
I forget to charge the batteries. He can pull a motor, he can mow a lawn, he can get out, take a hit off this big fat bomb.
What the hell? I didn't mow my lawn.
Axe in the
Axe in the
bearings.
tits.
Oh yeah, do a little dance for
Axe in the bearings. Careful. Your back is broken.
It's spinal.
Spot.
I got broken back.
What do you mean? Your back's broken.
It's spinal.
Look out there!
it's got a big crack in it.
Yeah.
Coming at me.
Well, shit happens. Thanks for watching. And we're gonna call a couple machine shops and see what's going on. Keep an eye out for the car cruise video coming out next. Wait, no, before this.
Don't say next.
Thanks for watching that car cruise video.
Cars are like fucking.
Wait.
You've had too many already.
Oh no.
Dude, you gotta work up to it. You just can't jump in there like Jeremy.
Jay, you edit the video. I'm over here in the corner. I can't do this. All right, see you guys. If you like what we did or whatever, good, bad, ugly, go ahead and comment and like, share, subscribe. Adios.
I had an extra drink for what I did. So did you. Alright, so
We went car cruising, we went drag racing, and Jeremy went burnout by himself. I'm currently working on the car cruise video. It's a lot to put together, and this is going to come out before then.
So there's a time-space continuum thing happening, but it will happen, I guess.
Right.
Yeah. So
We talked to Doc Brown. He said it's fine. Go ahead and do it. So we want to let you know what's going on with the dart right now.
it's broken.
But the next video, you're going to see the dart not broken.
Yeah. That's that paradox.
Yeah, but it's broken.
Yeah.
So,
Alright. We need some stuff. Things.
yeah.
And then,
We got Brian.
well, we can't say that yet either.
Yeah.
Damn it.
God.
Alright, anyways.
How do we do this?
I don't know. Alright. Buy t-shirts. Like this one that got dirty.
Stickers,
Stickers.
like the ones that we hand out all the time.
Yeah. And come back again. What does Jay say? Good, bad,
Good, bad, ugly.
ugly? Yeah. Yeah,
So-
sure. Yeah.
Let us know. Let us know.
Oh, should we do that too? Ho, ho, ho.
And if you got a 408 stroker kit laying around in the area, cheap,
Yeah.
get a hold of me because you can't get a hold of him.
Antisocial. Alright, so yeah, car's broken.
Mm.
Continue on.
Damn it, Ty.